Hey y'all, I am so glad you stopped by my channel, Primrose Lane Prims. I am Sarah. This is a relatively new channel and I'm still trying to grow. So if you love DIY, home decor, recipes, home improvement projects, then please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. You can also find me on social media. I'll leave all those links in the description box below. So what do I have for you today? Well, today I have a little bit of a trash to treasure / Dollar Tree DIY for you. Let me show you. So I found this cute little glass cauldron. See, trick or treat at a local thrift store. 50 cents, y'all. I mean, how can you pass that up for 50 cents? And I thought, I'll make something really cute out of this. Let's make a little bubbly, glowing cauldron out of this. Now, of course, if you can't find this, you can find pretty much cauldrons anywhere right now, from Dollar Tree to Dollar Store to Walmart this time of year. Some sort of little cauldron is out there. Anyways, the other things I'm going to be using is this purple piece of construction paper, I can't think of the word. What is the word? Oh my goodness. My brain. I think I need more coffee, y'all. Anyways. To go here. Next, I have some purple and black little bulbs from the Dollar Tree. And a pack of the LED purple lights from the Dollar Tree. And of course, 2 AA batteries, because those need 2 AA batteries. And I have the Amazon Basics ones, which I love these batteries, guys. They are so much more budget friendly. You can get them like so much cheaper than some of the others, and they last quite a while. Anyways, little side rant, but I'll leave a link for this down below, just in case you're interested. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, I began this project by first cutting out my circle to fit on top of my little cauldron. I wanted to do this so that I can put my battery pack down in the cauldron and then put this with all the bulbs on top to hide it. And that way I can easily lift it on and off. Now, to do this, I want to poke a little hole through the center of this so that I can run the lights through. First, let's get out our lights. Maybe I can get them out. They're not wanting to cooperate. Okay, we're just going to start whipping. Yay! Okay. So down there like that. That will go on top, and these will be wrapped in and around the bulbs to give them that glowing, bubbly cauldron look. Okay, I have gone ahead and put batteries and lights, and I'm going to go ahead and turn them on. I like to sometimes craft with the lights on when I'm using lights, so that way I can kind of see how they're going to look when I place them. So, now that this is done, we're going to build, and we know this fits, we're going to build our little bubbly part of our cauldron right here on top of this. So I'm going to go ahead and open my purple and black bulbs. Little Christmas ornaments from Dollar Tree. There, have these out right now in the Halloween section. You don't need the glass string. Go. Oh, wow, I totally missed a lot of bulbs. Oops. Okay, let's try that again. Alright, so what we'll do is going to start taking these. You can take this little silver part off. We don't need that. Just pulls right off. And we're going to hot glue these kind of around our poster board. Ha! I remembered the name. Poster board. Just around the edge. We'll start on the outside edge, work our way around. Okay. And I'm going to kind of alternate the different colors. So we'll do black and purple and so on and so forth. Now, we're going to take our lights here and let's just kind of place these kind of in and around a little bit here. Now that we have the first layer of bulbs in, now I'm just going to start moving in with these bulbs a little bit. Let's put them the next layer around. Okay, once again with our lights, I just want to kind of place them in and around our little bubbles here, cauldron bubbles, and get them all in good places so that they look good. And if you need to, you can tack them down with just a little bit of hot glue. How it's looking so far, but you see how that just sits perfectly on top up there, and the weight of the ornaments just hold it down, so you can easily hide that battery pack and change out the batteries as needed. Okay, so let's see, where else can we add? I'm going to add a few more little bulbs here and there, kind of trickling down like you would see, you know, a cauldron bubbling, overflowing, just wherever you think something needs needed where it looks good. There is no right or wrong, just whatever makes you happy. That is fun. What do you think? So I hope you guys enjoyed our little Trash to Treasure mini DIY, Dollar Tree DIY mini cauldron today. I have been making it. I hope you liked it. I hope you try one yourself. If you do post a picture on my social media, I love to see your guys' creations. Oh, and this is Molly, by the way. She's the real, star of the show here. Miss Molly. She supervises the whole operation. And I think she approves. Anyways, until next time, bye friends.